Hi, this is Bill Tainter with OU Forex Trader. Looking at the exotics and some breakouts on a 4 hour. Basically, these four I did not trade. The euro yen, it was not a real clear setup, so I just didn't jump on it. Let me change the time frame here quick. Snap it back. It just didn't jump out at me. I'm looking for the highest probability. It was just choppy, so I left it alone. New Zealand, US dollar, same thing, just wasn't clear at the time. Aussie dollar was messy, and US Canadian was just kind of in the middle, right? I'm watching price at these big levels. Okay, so let's go take a look at the next four. Hold on. Okay, so here is the Euro Australian dollar, and as you see, I draw in the lines. I'm trying to watch bias, keys, support, resistance, and so I parked a bracket in here. Now this is going against me. See how it's struggling to go lower, and it just broke lower. Look at this. It just had to touch these center points, previous lows. These are center pivots, these purple lines, and it's bouncing off of there. So I'll take a loss here, and it'll probably go long, and we'll make it back. Great Britain yen, fantastic here. The setup was it came down, it broke down, did a doji, so I'm looking for it to go back up, and sure enough was able to pull off 18 before it took us out, so that's not bad. Again, these are all 4 hour charts. Same thing here. I think we're in this long and we're hanging on. It's chopped around and looks like it may float up. We'll see. Euro Great Britain, this is great. We were able to pull off, if I can get this guy, where is it? 30. Looks like we pulled, yeah, 30. Look how it didn't go long, and basically, yeah, see this? There's nice resistance. Here's my false breakout. I can trade this all day long. It floated up and got almost to this. It just didn't quite make the level. So I waited for a breakout, went to bed. Sure enough, boom, it broke down. We pulled off 30 pips. That's gorgeous. Great British Canadian. This was a decent trade too. Same thing. It's at a major support line that I've drawn in, watching bias and keys and all the different support resistance lines. And it broke and it came back up again. So on that, I'm like, okay, well, it looks like a false breakout here. I'm thinking it's going to go up. Fantastic. It chopped a little, though. That son of a gun. Look, it took me out at 37. Took off 37, stopped me out. Now it's floating higher. So let's take a look at the next group. Okay, this is one of the best movers. It moved first and it moved fast. It's crazy. It actually took out 45 pips, take profit 1. Stopped me out and then busted up higher, and it stopped dead on its tracks at this R1. It was crazy. I was up all night. I was up through the London. Actually, I didn't get to bed till about 3:30. So it was a long day yesterday. It's already 11:30. Then Thursday night I got to get some sleep. So sell. Okay, Great Britain, Swissy, let's take a look. Are we in this thing? What is going on? Great Britain, Swissy, we're up 16. Hold on a minute. What? All right, that's fantastic. Okay, so let's see, where's the money? 31, 50, 16, and a couple here are struggling, this Euro Australian dollar. So again, it's 4 hour. I'm using, channels, support, resistance. And I say channels, that means I'm drawing in where the support resistance is. And what I love is this. It's established breaks, retests. Those are what I look for. So great, I pulled some pips long. We might be able to pull some pips short. Let's see where our first take profit lines are. I'm using these center points and these different things here. Let's see. Okay, so that should be good. Let's see how that goes. pull some more pips. Australian Canadian, how'd that go? Hey, 29, not bad. We're still in this. Fantastic. Same thing. It came down to a level and it rejected. So I bracketed it and thought it's either going to break down here or it's going to go higher, and it did. It's going higher, and it's still going higher. I'm 29. Beautiful. Swissy yen. 31. Nice. Same thing here. I'm playing this, set up resistance, broke, immediately rejected, touched, and I bracketed it in, and down it went, pulled 31 pips. Beautiful. Euro CAD, this guy, same thing. Look at it. It did a major break on the US, and it did a doji area kind of, and I'm like, this is going to break up or down. Bracketed it in, boom, was able to pull 27, 27, 27, and then came back, took me out at break even. So I got no problems with that, and so that worked out good. And so that's about it. We were able to trade these again when it's at these previous support resistance levels. I pay attention and I read the charts and the candles and putting patterns together here. So all right, well, that's it for a quick overview of exotics on a 4-hour playing price action, bias keys, making it work. All right, talk to you all later. Thanks. Bye.